It's a Would You Rather Back to School edition. Pick a side to answer each question. Copy the dance to make your pick. You can also choose the mystery box. After 10 seconds, select your treat. Have fun. Would you rather ride the bus to school, walk to school, or pick the mystery box? Would you rather paint in art class, read a book in the library, or pick the mystery box? Would you rather swing at recess, go down a slide, or pick the mystery box? It's our first bonus game. There's 5 soccer balls hiding on the playground. Can you find them all? Awesome job! Here we go. Would you rather eat pizza at lunch, eat an apple, or pick the mystery box? Would you rather be the line leader, the door holder, or pick the mystery box? Would you rather read a book about dinosaurs, a book about outer space, or pick the mystery box? It's another bonus game. Pick one of these back-to-school presents and see what you get. Would you rather build a rocket, create a magic potion, or pick the mystery box? Would you rather go on a zoo field trip, an aquarium field trip, or pick the mystery box? Would you rather high-five your teacher goodbye, wave to your teacher, or pick the mystery box? It's our final bonus game. It's back-to-school races. Choose either the fox or the bear and see who wins the race. You can do it. Good luck. On your mark, get set, go! Search Coach Corey Martin for even more brain break fun. Thanks for playing. Rock, paper, scissors rematch. Now you can have a seat. Thanks for playing.